Hello everyone, welcome back to Uptude. And today's video is super exciting because I am going to tell you about an global innovation hackathon that is called D3CODE 2025. So which is an Indian edition and it is hosted by the UST. So if you are someone who is interested in the artificial intelligence, quantum computing and data innovation, this is the opportunity that you must have to grab it off. Okay, so make sure you watch this tutorial because I will explain you everything in detail about this hackathon and what is the eligibility criteria, who can apply for this, and what are all the competition structures you have in this thing, and also what the rewards and the prizes that you are going to win in this hackathon. So, and before we start, comment below that you had to solve one big problem in the world using the AI or data, or we can say the quantum computing, what it would be. I would like to hear you from your side in the comments. Okay, all right. So before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. So we will get the content which is totally related to the job openings, internship openings, free courses, hackathons, scholarships, and a lot more content uploaded in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to our channel. So now let's start the video. So first let's talk about this competition. That is, it is just an coding hackathon, but a platform where the students from around the world come together to design the real solutions for the problems what we have in the real world. So the focus on a new technology, like especially in the artificial intelligence, quantum computing and data ecosystem. So the theme is like the theme of this year is like shaping the new frontiers like data, intelligence and quantum frontiers. Okay, so this is the theme of this competition that we have in this artificial intelligence, quantum computing and data part. Okay, so so the competition that wants you to think about the ideas that can be truly make a social impact, like we are solving the problems in the health, education and as well as environmental accessibility and more by using this advanced technologies. Okay, so this challenge is built around these three technology pillars. That is, first is of like AI, that is systems that collaborate, learn and make the autonomous decisions. And second, we have this quantum computing, where in this exploring the real world applications of quantum technologies. And the third pillar that we have is of like data ecosystems. So in this, like you will be building a scalable, secure and intelligent data infrastructures. So your idea can use one of this technology or even more than one. So this is the pillars that are main. So you can just choose any one of the technology and go with the thing. Okay, now let's talk about what is eligibility criteria in order to apply for this competition. So basically in this, the hackathon it is open for the students. So you must have to be age, that is 18 years or above, and who are resident of the India only. So this is the competition only for the Indian specific team. Okay, so if you are a student in India, then you are eligible to go with that, and you must have to be 18 or above. So you can eligible to participate in this competition. Okay, so many of my they get or like they have the raised questions in their mind, that is why we need to join this D3CODE. So here are some of the very solid reasons that I am telling from my side. That is like you will be getting to create the impactful solutions by using the cutting edge technologies, and you will also get the mentorships from the industry experts such as at the UST, and you will get the collaborating with the talented peers, and also you will win the national level of rewards and the recognitions and global stage that you might get recognized. So, and this is the grand highlights that you will be showcasing your innovation at a UST's flagship D3 conference, which is in the Tinvandaram, that is nothing but in the Kerala. Okay, this is not just a competition that you are thinking of, it's a global platform where you will be showing your knowledge, your skills and your expertise, that how you are thinking about. Okay, now let's talk about how many rounds that we have in this competition. So basically the first round, that is of like ideathon. So in this, the ideathon will be like August 11th to September 10th. So this is the starting point where you will be submitting your innovative idea, so which is based on like D3 team, that is artificial intelligence, quantum computing and data innovation. So your idea must use one of the more of the three technology pillars that I have told before. Okay, or one or more, you can just choose it up. And next we have the idea evaluation and shortlisting team. So in this round, so this round will be going to held in the September 11th to September 18th. So the jury will be evaluating all the submitted ideas by the team, and from here the top 10 teams will be get shortlisted. So this team will then move to the video presentation round, where they are based on the videos. finalist team will be getting selected to move ahead. So the third we have is like prototype development and presentation. So basically in this, this is the most intense part we have, that is it's a 24 hours in-person hackathon. The 5 finalist team will gather to building the working prototype of their idea what they have been given or submitted to the D3CODE. Okay, so at the end they will be presenting to the judges, and from this round one regional winner from India will be selected. Okay, so the fourth round we have like grand finale, which is going to held, which is September 25th to September 30th. So the winning team from the India will then compete against with winners from the other regions globally. So this will be conducted virtually. So the team will be presenting their idea and the prototype to the global jury at the UST. Okay, so only one global winner will be declared. And the fifth we have like D3 conference. So in this basically it is going to held in October 16th. So the global winners will be presenting their work live at the prestigious D3 conference, which is Tinvantaram, and that is located in the Kerala, and in front of the UST leaders and innovators and also professionals. So these all people where the conference is going to held. So that's the complete journey of the D3CODE 2025 is going to happen. So some quick things that I'm going to remember to you, that is like follow the official submission guidelines and event guidelines when you are applying for the like hackathon. Okay, so make sure your idea connects clearly to the theme what they have been declared. Okay, and remember one thing, that innovation plus social impact is what the judges are looking for, because if the problem is there in the real world and you're finding out that problem, like you're solving the solution and like you're giving the solution for that problem, and the problem that you haven't picked up which is in the theme what they have been given, and actually you're solving the problem and you're creating a social impact, then the judges might be interested in you. Okay, so friends, this was everything that you must have to know about this D3CODE edition 2025. So this is your chance to work with advanced technologies like AI, quantum computing and data ecosystem, where it is representing the India which on the global stage. So it's not just about the coding that you're thinking of, it's about like creating the real solutions for the real problems. So now tell me in the comments that if you had one idea that could improve the lives by using the AI, quantum computing or data innovation, what would be it? I am super curious to read your answers. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to Opportunity Hunt for more amazing updates. Remember, opportunities don't just come to you, you have to hunt them. See you in the next video with the biggest opportunity, and good luck with your application.